So you might wonder, what are affirmations? Are they just pretty words and nothing really comes of them? You feel good for a minute and then you forget? No. Affirmations are a way of changing your consciousness on a deeper level for the long term. The affirmations can be for anything that you like, for more confidence, overcoming a fear, relationships. Because when you do the affirmation, what you're trying to do is reprogram your mind. So every day, whether we want to or not, we are making affirmations. If we say, it's Monday, it's not going to work out, it's going to be a terrible day, that's an affirmation, even if we think it is not. Because the mind believes what you say. It trusts you. It accepts what you say as truth, and then it will proceed to make it so on the physical plane. So when we do the affirmations, we are helping to, yes, do a bit of self-soothing, but we're also starting the first steps towards change. Because sometimes the only change that you can make is in your mind and in your words. You're not in a position to physically quit your job or do something else. But you've always got your mind, and you've always got your words. As you think, so it will be. We must watch our minds and our thoughts, and we can do that through affirmations, through reprogramming ourselves. Think of the affirmations as seeds for our minds. The more we plant and water them through repetition, the better our crop, our mental thoughts, our mental state of mind, the things we bring into our life will be. The affirmations aren't about pretending that all is well. They're about choosing where to place our thoughts through the words, to have a gentler, more self-empowering relationship with ourselves, and resulting from that, with the world. An affirmation doesn't have to be long or complicated. It can be as short as, I believe in myself. All is well. These kind of short ones are good when you're in a stressful situation. A lot of people just use the affirmations to build confidence, to reduce their stress, to ease on their part any discord in relationships, or some people simply use them to start their day. Start their day in a positive way. And even before we go to bed, it's just to say thank you. 2 words. That's an affirmation. Thank you. I made it through this day, and I'll do the same again tomorrow. So, affirmations are a gentle, soothing, effective, and powerful way of enhancing our lives and moving through each day with self-respect, with a bit more confidence, and love for others. Affirmations do work. They're another tool in our self-improvement, self-empowered, self-soothing toolkit of life. And that's it. Bye for now.